Hey there, this is NTP Tech, and today I got something excited because I figured it out on this day how to find a Ryzen 9800 X3D processor for the MSRP. And it was in pretty much in the Baltics region. There were only 2 CPUs for the MSRP price, and I got lucky and I got it. And it's box edition even. So cool. Ryzen 7 9800 X3D made in Malaysia. Okay. What do we have here? 96 megabyte cache, 8 core, 16 thread, 4.7 gigahertz boost, Zen 5 architecture, AMD 3DV cache, technology, AMD socket M5. Well, let me put that, and look, even colors match with the gigabyte. Okay, nothing else in the box. It's just oh my gosh. When I was little, I used to love to do this, you know. Okay, let's move the rubbish to the side. Let's unbox this CPU using my handy dandy tool. Box looks fresh new. Ooh, good cut. And I actually never opened processor from the box because I used to have a Ryzen 7 5800 X3D, but it was not in the box. Anyways, here we have the Ryzen 7 sticker, the CPU. So we're gonna put it, and what do we have? Certificate of authenticity. And join the conversation, AMD welcome. The red team. Okay. Installation warranty. Good. Let me push. Okay, nothing else in the back. As you can see, nothing else in the back. Now, I think it's going to be a longer video, but bear with me because I needed to figure it out. Which screws we're gonna need. Okay. Yes. Now let's open up the, I don't remember. Oh, from here, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna take it out. This, I don't remember, was anything inside? Oh yeah. The antennas. Let's finally do something with the motherboard. Finally, this big covered motherboard would at last do something. This bracket is going to be changed after some time. Let's crank open. Okay. This is so exciting. Okay, there's that. There's that port. Okay, now it stands okay. Let me put it. Voila! And it's finally in. Now I'm thinking, do I need to wait for the RAM and then connect everything? Or do it the other way? I have AIO, so I don't need, I can do all these things later when I get them, because I just got the CPU earlier. Let's try to put it in the case itself. That's at least a little exciting. Cool. Now, we can at least try putting it to the side. Oh man. It fits quite well. Yeah, something like this would be perfect. And talking about the stands we're gonna use would be the same. Just I need to unscrew them up, put these risers, like plastic little risers, then screw them in, and then on top of it goes the CPU cooler, which goes up there. So I think it would be good. There's the motherboard connector. From the side, sys fans, CPU LEDs, sys fans, CPU fans. There's the connector of the ATX 12 volt. I don't know about connecting these CPU connectors, but here we see it fits. Okay, now I need to figure it out which of these must go there. I think they are, and if I'm wrong, then I'm an idiot, but that wouldn't be, you know, any news. We got it. Let's maybe route them up. My case is already dusty. Jesus Christ, why? I'm waiting for a fan that I would put here. The fan that I was talking about, 240 millimeters, is going to take the air together from the PCU fan, take the air from here through the mesh into the system, into the GPU, and from the GPU take that air all out there. And the front fan is gonna take the air in. That should be quite nice system, quite nice of a system. Okay, now let's try to route something up. We can now do it continuously. Yes, now what we can do is connect the front panel USB-C. Of course, let's first start with opening up the back. Good. The back open up. Now, yikes. Now, where do we start? Where do we start? I guess it's a good way to start with the routing, the motherboard cable. The motherboard cable goes through here, so let's just push it through here. Open the Velcro. I think I need to do it like that. Push it. No. Okay. It's going to be routing video also. Yeah. Got that. Second. And now it's going to be this way, or let's see. Okay, let's leave that cable there. If we're not using, we don't need it, so let's just take it out. Now I think it's not better. Express this one. It should go straight there. I think it'll go from here to here. Okay, so we have the motherboard cable there. Let's connect motherboard and CPU first, and then think more about. Okay, and let's connect the USB 2 also. We can route that. So let's make these three connections. USB for the RGBs. Power is connected. Let's get that cable there. Here we have. Where's the USB? I need to do this motion to read Okay, 999 USB 1. Turns out. Let's connect the motherboard now. Cable. Okay. Motherboard cable connected. Looking quite good actually. From this side, you know. And now let's connect the CPU. That's going in right here. Yes! I got connected. So the CPU cable connected. This cable more or less connected. Maybe we can... No, you can't route it through this. So let's... Yeah, the fan's connected. Other things we need to connect is the... Yeah, these few connectors. This is the HD audio connector, the front panel connector, USB 3 and USB-C. I think I need to loosen this up. Oh, and we can split it. Nice. Then all these cables can go through here. Audio is there. This is the HD audio. The HD audio connection is there. Looks like it did. Now we have front connectors. You need to connect it this way. And this is missing out for some reason, this part. Of course it's here. That's why. It turns out it's put to the side on the most uncomfortable position that you can put. Yes! And there's, boys and girls, the final touch to this build. So thank you for being today with me. It was unboxing of Ryzen 9800X 3D processor and all these connections, USB 3.2, USB-C, front panel, USB 2 connection for GB fan hub, then connection the HD audio, connection of the motherboard, connection of the CPU power, which I had tremendous problems, but I think I'm gonna cut it because I don't want you to suffer. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's that. Thank you for being today with me. Press like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for once. For God's sake. Bye.